Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to get subscribers fastly on YouTube. So there are few strategies that can help you increase your subscribers quickly. Number one, create engaging content. You should create high quality, engaging content that viewers will want to watch and share with others. So choose a content that more people enjoy, and the more likely they are to enjoy, the more likely they are to subscribe to your channel. Number two, optimize your videos for search. Make sure to use relevant keywords in your video title, descriptions, and tags. This will help your video rank higher in search results and increase your visibility. So optimize your videos for search. Number 3, promote your channel on social media. Yes, social media will help you to promote or to increase your subscribers quickly. So share your videos on social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter. Then this will help you reach a wider audience and potentially attract new subscribers. Number 4, collaborate with other YouTubers. Collaborating with other YouTubers can expose your channel to new viewers and potentially increase your subscriber count. So manage to contact them and collaborate with them so that it will help you increase your subscribers quickly. Number 5, use call to actions. Ask your viewers to subscribe to your channel at the end of your video. This remind them to subscribe if they enjoyed your content. Example, you can say, if you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. And last, engage with your audience. Respond to comments and messages from your viewers. This will help build a sense of community around your channel and increase the likelihood that viewers will subscribe. So spend time to chat with them so that it will help you to get more subscribers on YouTube. So that's how to get subscribers fastly on YouTube. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you on my next tutorial.